Hello, my dear gardeners. Well, today we have unusual video because I am presenting to you Viribus Tricycle FC2. And originally when Viribus company offered me to review this tricycle, I thought, I think this product might be for me, particularly for me, and I will tell you why. Well, it is. I like the tricycle. My family, we have 3 kids, as you know, and my husband and kids, they love to ride their bicycles. So 5 years ago or 6 years ago, we went and we did in Pennsylvania, we did Allegheny Passage. What is it? Great Allegheny Passage, right. So we spent several days on the bikes. And my husband asked me later, how did you like it? And I said, all what I did, I was sitting on the bike and I was looking down because, you know, on the bike, you have to see where you're going. Well, with this one, you just sit. Look at this. You just sit. And you're not going anywhere because it is a tricycle. And funny enough, when I just got it and I started riding it, it is hard to get used to it because it's a tricycle. So when you ride it, your head, you have to kind of control your head, especially people who know how to ride bicycles. So what do? When you lean this way, you turn the wheel because you want to compensate for the tilt, right? But on the tricycle, you don't have to do it. There are 2 wheels at the back. You're not falling. And as a result, I can look around. I don't need to look at the ground because I'm not going to fall. And I like it because when I'm going on this tricycle around, I can look at places, I can see what people are doing and enjoy nature. So that's one big benefit for me. The second big benefit, and there is one extra bonus for all the gardeners, which is very sweet. I will touch upon it later. So second bonus is, look at this beautiful battery. You can be on this charge for 5 hours. And you can do just pedaling. If you want to sweat on the bike and exercise on the bike, you can pedal yourself. You can do battery assist where you pedal, but there is this lovely push. Well, I want to see the face of my kids when they are pedaling uphill, and especially my husband. Because we're not young, you know, I'm approaching almost 50, so suddenly those heavy workouts are not the easiest thing to do. So when we are going to bike and I'm using my trike, I'm going to watch the face of my husband. He's smiling right now behind the camera. I'm going up the hill because what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this thing here and I will have pedal assist. And that pedal assist, that little energy from the bike feels so good because it just smoothly carries you through. Love it. Love that battery option. And again, you don't have to use it if you want to use this tricycle as an exercise machine. For me, not the bike lover, this tricycle is great. One more thing which I love, and you will understand me, ladies. Look at this. Look at this beautiful seat. Nice and big, with a nice back support. And you sit differently on this tricycle than on the bicycle. I remember going on those long travels with my family, and you know, all my kids and my husband love to bike, so I have to kind of fit in. And I remember looking at this little narrow seat, and some people enjoy biking. It's just my preference. But the minute I saw this seat, I said, yes, thank you, Viribus. I'm going to sit and enjoy my journey. So that's what, reason number 3. Viribus company kindly provided a discount code, which you can find in the description under this video, so you can use it on their website. Reason number 4, look at the compartments. Let me show you. Let me put this here. This is the rear basket, and rear basket can hold, are you ready for this? 110 pounds of weight. So right now we are having a picnic with my husband, and we're going to sit again, putting our weight, our shoulders against it because it stands and it's not going to fall even with bike support because it's a tricycle. That's another bonus I like about it. So this can be a great option for people with dogs, for people with groceries, and people who are, let's say, at the better second part of their lives, like me. I'm studying my almost second 50 years, and you don't need to elevate your leg. It's easy to get in, and you sit. You don't need to balance right away your bike, which is great. So your pet here, your groceries, or for us gardeners, and here comes the biggest and nicest perk for the gardeners. Look at this. This tricycle has a hitch here. So you can attach a little wagon here. And talking about those bags of stones or bags of soil which we have to transport from the car to the vegetable bed, especially if there is a distance there. So this can go straight into near the car, you put it on the wagon and you pull it. And because this is electrical, Viribus tricycle is easy, manageable on the property. I like that a lot. This is a special perk for the gardeners. The construction. Let's talk about the construction of the bike. Oh, here's one of those red lanternflies. Let me kill it. Nasty piece of work. Okay, I think I killed it. Really solid construction. The weight of the tricycle is, I think, 120 pounds. So it's not the lightest tricycle, but the weight capacity is 400 pounds, which is great because all that what you have to attach here, the tricycle can pull, right? You see, even to move my back against the trike feels good. One more thing, yesterday we were using this trike around the neighborhood. I was driving it, and we stopped at the parking lot, and the gentleman with his dog was walking, and he looked at the tricycle, and he said, oh, he recognized the company Viribus, and he said, it's a good company. And he has one of their tricycles, but not the electrical one, and he said he's using it all the time. So I wish I would have the camera to film him, but he was happy to see the tricycle, and he checked it out. There is good news of storage for this Viribus tricycle because it folds. Can you believe it? It's not the most easy option to transport in the car, although it fits into our car because all of this, you see this connection here, it opens, you have to push it, it opens, and then bikes folds here, so you can fold it, and the storage is literally this amount in the garage. So easy storage for people who do not have a lot of space in the garage. That's how I'm going to keep it. Fold it and store it. And the construction, I'm really impressed by the construction and thoughtful design of this tricycle. Here you have back lights, not back lights, back mirrors, so you can see what's happening at the back. The panel here is well thought through. There is a space for the phone. You can put the battery on, and then you can put your bike on. Oh, I shut down the battery. You can put your bike on, and that's when you will have the speed assist, the power assist, the battery assist. I love that the tricycle arrived already pre-charged, 85% pre-charged. So you have all the stuff here. You have 7 gears, which is helpful. The minute you move this, it helps you with the battery charge. What I like, I grew up with a bicycle where we had brakes on the back. I like that this tricycle is equipped with brakes in the front and both wheels at the back. So I think it's very safe option for people with mobility issues, because you can easily go on and off. You can lower the seat if you don't like it too high. And there is a marker for the height of people here. I like it on the lower side because it's kind of easy to sit with my back against the back support and ride. And by the way, this tricycle is good for all terrains. Look at this grass here. It's bumpy, and the tricycle is equipped with shock absorption. So I ride on this bumpy, grassy field here just fine, with no real feel of it, you know, the shaking field. And on a smooth road, oh boy, good job, Viribus. You designed a good tricycle, and I like it. All the features I like. As for the customer service, when the tricycle arrived, the helmet was not delivered, so it took me only one message to write to the company that my helmet didn't arrive. So the company sent it right away, apologized, and sent it right away, my beautiful helmet. To ride Viribus FC2 tricycle. There you go. I made a banana
Oh, thank you.
cake
I
for
love
us
it,
to
banana.
share. It's somewhat cloudy today. Yesterday was beautiful and sunny.
Good.
You look good against the orange color.
Yeah, I think orange color is the best.
You know what? You can see so well on the road.
Yeah, you can be seen.
And it comes in several good colors. It comes in black, which is good for men, right?
Yeah.
I like orange because people can
It's
see me,
visible.
you know? Then it comes in mint, white. What else? And orange, of course. I like orange.
Yeah.
Visibility is very good. By the way, the bike is equipped with a nice headlights and backlights. Oh, you didn't hear the noise, did you? The
Oh,
beep.
yes, the beep.
Let me
Let me hear the beep.
listen to this. When Peter and me we were studying the bike, we had a laugh out of it. Listen to this. Funny, but you can hear it, right? People will hear it.
The pickup is really good. In no time, you're scooting along.
And so you sit on your tricycle and you pedal away and explore the world. And it feels so good to be outside with my helmet on and just look around instead of looking where I'm going. See you later.